Most factories, even now, are flexo dominant with a little bit of digital, where we take a digital first approach. And obviously the HP Indigo V12 helps us achieve that goal. We have a single 22-year-old kid running two 6900s and a HP Indigo V12. And I don't think in the past that was ever even imaginable, and he does it with ease right now. HP Indigo V12 was definitely a milestone in the digital printing world. The digital technology was starting to take a leap in front of the flexographic technologies, and so having more of a computer than a machine, that helps attract a younger generation, and that's what we've done here. One of our strategies around hiring a younger workforce is there's no attachment to nostalgia or this is the way things have always been done. By hiring someone new and who's used to changing with technologies, we're constantly innovating and changing the way we do stuff. Speed and quality is the number one thing. And HP offers so many quality modules as far as gaining jobs, gaining SKUs and products, and then we mix that in with a little of our own methodologies and processes, and we are very efficient. Our operators are going to be able to get more done in a single shift with more ease. It's going to be one or two guys that can run an entire production line from print to box on their own with that assurance that the quality is not going to shift, where before that just wasn't the case with older technologies. Well, I think what the HP Indigo V12 allows us to do is service your bigger end customers who have giant volumes. They can run seasonal promotions or last minute thoughts on a dime, and we can have that thing printing in literally minutes from the proofing process.